Hi, Achy Dad here. Pay no attention to the white, or for that matter, red testicles that you see on the screen. Or actually, maybe we should, because I have been sent these to review, and they're not, in fact, silicone testicles. They're a bike light. And I guess some people think they're a heart. It really depends on your point of view, but they're meant to hang on the back of a bike seat, as you can see on this screen. I'm speechless, not only because I'm getting over this cold, which is a true Achy Dad moment, but because some very nice person sent me this to review, which first of all is such an honor, but second of all, it's just hysterical product. Seems to work great. I'm going to open it up here in a minute. Well, let's do it now. This is the Silicone Light CR2032 battery. Oh, the battery can go there, I guess. It is easy to mount, quote unquote, with a unique heart-shaped design. Water and shockproof? Haha, maybe not shockproof. There's even one lower than the other one. Seems like it's strong. I wonder how long it would last. It's definitely a well-bunched thing of silicone. Now, the person named Jessica, who was nice enough to send this to me for free, asked me to do some things, which I am totally going to do. It's a little hard to find out what was going on, but I think she works for the company. They're trying to increase their sales. I'm guessing they're from China, or she's from China, but I don't know. She did give me 9% off to give you on this, which brings it under $8, I believe. Discount ends December 31st. Wonder if that hurt me more than it. And wanted me to say the following things. It functions in various applications. It's used for bicycles, backpacks, home, or room decoration. I'm not sure about that part. Unless it's like this, but then how do you hold it up? It's clearly testicles. Maybe home testicle decoration. I didn't think of that. Please mention it's silicone material, good elasticity, and easy to be installed. It has 3 flashing modes, not 2 or 1. It's fun and unique heart-shaped design. Heart-shaped. Please also say something you like or something interesting you find. I think I've covered that. If you look online, there's a lot of other products, bike balls, to name one of them. Who knows where it came from? Who knows how it started? But here it is. Right here. And you know what? I bet it's a good light. I bet it actually works. Well, certainly easy to mount. I can't keep going. I just can't. Stay safe out there.